into the Senate. Well, quickly, no, let me do the candidates, the MP candidates. I have Omar, Woodbine, and Danishka, and I have Comrade Chris Brown. So quick and fast. So 3 minutes each, comrade. So I'm going to, so comrades, you decide. You are here from the Empress first, or you are here from the Subner? Empress, Comrade Danishka Williams. Next member of Parliament, South Senton.
Comrades of Central St. Mary, good night. Comrades on the platform, councillors, councillor candidates, the mayor who is from my constituency, Mayor Wilson, MP candidates on the platform, Dr. Guy, Dr. Maurice Guy, Dr. Maurice Guy, Comrade Noel, my friend, my brother, and the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Comrade Mark Golding. Comrades, I am bringing you greetings from Southwest Senton, where is an uphill battle, but I know my flag going put on at the top before them reach up there. Comrades, them claim to say it's a garrison, a JLP garrison, but I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, comrades. Comrades, I have a two-term MP pinned down in Southwest Senton. The Prime Minister have conference going in Trelawney, him can't go. Them have rally in Clarendon, him can't go. I have them pinned down there because I am doing the work. I work 6 days on the week and today I am resting. But Omar, I'm a brother, so I had to be here to support. Comrades, my fight is a little different from Omar's. What Omar is doing here in Central is building on the legacy that existed, the legacy that Dr. Guy is leaving, and it is actually beautiful. 5-star. It is beautiful to see them walk together, to see them journey together, and to see how Dr. Guy is passing on the baton to Comrade Noel. And I know that when the election is called, the people of Central St. Mary will do well with Noel, because the only party Comrades, it don't matter how much party them keep, the only party we are going to in Central St. Mary is that of the People's National Party, comrades. Comrades, I want to give you a charge to go out there, because we're not just going to win, we want to win big, you know. We want to win massive. We want when the votes are counted, them hold them head and wonder what really going on. We want to win big, comrades. So I am imploring you to call everybody you know, every comrade where you don't talk to in a long time. Call them and tell them, say we're ready to do well with Noel, because we are building on legacy in Central St. Mary, comrades. Comrades, you have an excellent candidate here in Comrade Noel, and I want you to continue to work with him, continue to show him the love, fight the fight for Comrade Noel and for the People's National Party, comrades, because when those ballots are counted, it is going to be 3 strong in St. Mary. Everything Chris over Southeast, and we know no good in our Western. And we are doing well with Noel in Central. Comrades, I wish you love from Southwest St. Anne. The word is love, comrades.
For my independent ladies,
go through.
Me have money in my pocket, so I feel nice. No borrow girl clothes in a real life. Now sponge for a boy, what you feel like. Can buy something drink if I feel like.
He's the selector. He's the selector. So, comrades, right now we'll take a step over to the Western. And we are big up Comrade Omar Woodbine. So comrades, make welcome the next member of parliament. Comrade for Western St. Mary, Comrade Omar Woodbine.
Well. You see some little boy come talk about gold teeth, front teeth, side teeth,
Comrade Chairman, my comrade leader, next Prime Minister, Comrade Guy, my MP, big up yourself, all comrades on the platform, my brother, Comrade Newell, your member of parliament for Central, big up on yourself. Central St. Mary, I bring greetings from Western St. Mary. Comrades, I have the pleasure to lead my team in Western St. Mary. Most people know me in Central St. Mary that we don't run joke with PNP business. We take this thing too serious, and so we approach the thing in a serious manner. Comrades, I have the man over so under pressure. Tell her the man get marga for real. Same last time. Yes, comrades. You see them do a look of green that pole, so I lead the man twice. But that don't mean nothing to the eye. This just let me go 4 times as hard as I used to do. Because we not trusted green that pole. No time at all. So although I'm leading, I'm still not leaving in nothing to chance. Comrades, we have Chris Brown in Southeast. Great. And he's the next member of parliament. Done time, done. Over with. Comrades, we have Omar, the boss, Newell in Central. That basically confirmed already. As a no. And we have me, Omar Harville Woodbine in the Western, that can't lose no time at all. So while they're saying they are loading 3 terms, they're loading 3rd term, we're fully loaded, ready to execute for the People's National Party in St. Mary. Clean sweep. Clean sweep. No JLP will be left in St. Mary after we finish with them. Comrades, we are serious about youth development. I just the other day people talk about youths. We say youths. We're going to make sure the youths have employment, skills training, education, affordable housing. Comrade Floyd Morris, he is the next housing minister, and he promised me thousands of housing should be built in St. Mary soon, providing employment for you guys. Not a $20 and $30 million house, but affordable housing for you, the People's National Party and other people in St. Mary. So comrades, let us just transform this into voting. Transform the hype into voting. Because it's on green man run out in a Central now. Oh my, one time that not go on a Central. So we need to tidy up Central. Right? We're not taking none for granted. Comrades, they are campaigning. Don't get complacent. Go there and make sure that the votes are in, because it's a numbers game. So comrade, hold tight. 3 young comrades will be walking on Duke Street with the boss for St. Mary. One love, comrades. One heart, one destiny. PNP for life, comrades.
We no frightened so easy. All when you're rolling with the army, that must scare we. We represent the PNP. We no afraid of nobody.
Ease up. Comrades, moving right along. The next member of parliament for over Southeast. The one Chris Brown. One Chris Brown. One Chris Brown.
Comrade Chairman, Comrade Party Leader, and the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Comrade Mark Jefferson Golding. I want you to hail him. My brother, my mentor, my guide and my friend, and the present Member of Parliament for Central St. Mary, Comrade Dr. Maurice Guy. I want you to hear him. And comrades, we're talking about the future. He has been my friend. We were together in the Young Professionals arm of the People's National Party. Your next Member of Parliament, you are going to do well with Newell. I want you to hail Comrade Omar Newell. My fellow candidate, Comrade Omar Woodbine, Your Worship the Mayor, Senator Floyd Morris, councillors, other members of the platform, and to you, the workers, the warriors, the foot soldiers of Central St. Mary, are you ready for the People's National Party? Comrades, last year, the people of St. Mary began the process of change. When we won the Gale Division, when we won the Boscobel Division, when we won the Rakabessa Division, when we won the Port Maria Division, when we took the St. Mary Parish Council, we took the first step in the process of change. Right now, the gentleman afraid to call the elections. Instead, comrades, in recent times we have seen a flurry of last-minute activities. Contract assigned for water, left, right, and center. Ribbon of cut to open buildings, left, right, and center. After them just bring legislation to fight out the teachers, them now keep ceremony to honor teachers. Police are get promotion left, right, and center. Civil servants and police are get them back pay. In the last few days in Southeast St. Mary, we have seen the little man run up and down and measure road left, right, and center. Richmond Ball Ground and measure up. People who he neglected for the last 4 years are now being called and them name a take down for farm work yard, chicken, cement, goat, ply, board and cow. Many things that were promised to them in the first 100 days, they are running up and down now all over the place, trying to do them in their last 60 days. Comrades, I started a process as candidate to put up lights on a football field up in Enfield. Now in his last 60 days, the little man had jumped from field to field. A string up light left, right, and center. Where were you, Norman Dunn, for the last 8 years? But let the word go out from Friendship Square tonight that St. Mary, Western St. Mary, Southeast St. Mary, and Central St. Mary is now awaiting on the election date. Them say poverty is at its lowest ever. But every day you meet the people that struggle and families can't make two ends meet. Them say unemployment is at its lowest, but every other young person you meet can't get a job and is asking for work. Farmers are ball, taxi man are ball, teachers are ball, civil servants are ball, old people are ball, the youth are ball, but still they say prosperity is on the land. A few weeks ago, the party leader toured Western St. Mary. And you in Western St. Mary and the people sent them a message. 2 weeks ago, the party leader was in Southeast St. Mary and we showed him that we are done, we done. And today, you, the comrades and warriors of Central, have sent them a message that you are going to be well with Newell. So tonight, comrades, we say, call it, Mr. Man, call it. Call it, Mr. Man, call it. Call it, Mr. Man, call it. So wave your flag if you are ready for the People's National Party. Wave your flag if you are ready for Emmanuel. Wave your flag if you are ready for Mark Golin. Wave your flag if you are ready for the People's National Party. One love, one heart.
Big up, Comrade Chris Brown. One Chris Brown. But comrades, I'm going to see like where I move. I want to the middle of the crowd, that's all. How the middle look that's up? How the middle look that's up? Walk over yourself. Over yourself, over yourself. When we say over yourself. Easy selection. Comrades, we have our next tablet to give away. The question is, listen carefully. When was Dr. Morris Guy first elected Member of Parliament? Yo. She said first. Comrades, we have one more tablet that we're going to give away. One more tablet to give away. One more tablet to give away. And the question is, who is the Member of Parliament for the constituency known as St. Andrew South? Mark Golden. Mark Golden. No, comrade. No, comrade. Comrade leader. Comrades, give a round of applause to your comrades. Big up one Marky G. Big up Dr. Guy, the right guy. Big up Comrade Omar Newell. And big up the mayor, his worship. So comrades, we're going to hear from the first citizen of the parish. So please, let your mayor feel welcome. Comrade Fitzroy, Wilson, Selector.
Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in thy yourself first and foremost. The protocol has already been established, but I want to hail a few persons. I want to say welcome to Islington again, my comrade leader. And you will see that the work is being done in St. Mary and in Islington Division and Central St. Mary. I want to acknowledge the next member of parliament for the constituency where I was born. Danishka, you are creating waves in that place. And I am extremely proud of you, my sister. I myself will be doing my little thing out there to make sure that the Wilson trend continue in that constituency. Yes. The next member of parliament for Central St. Mary, the real general. Big up yourself. I want to hail the right guy. The right guy is always there. And I said to you, comrade guy, I feel a way already. Not that me bad mind you will say I go win. But I know that the guidance that you provided throughout the years for us, the mentoring, I am saying to you, I am sorry that you're not going to be there the next time around. But you know, you have already rolled the wicket. And we are waiting to hit off that score that is there. Comrade Newell is pretty young. So I know that it is in good hands. And that for the next 30 years, Comrade Newell will be batting on that crease. I want to hail Chris Brown, because in Southeast, everything, Chris. My council colleagues on the platform, Council 5, Council Freeman, and the man from Islington. Big up yourself, my council colleagues on the platform. Council Caretaker Silvera from Hampstead Division. We're just waiting on the next local government election. And Comrade Silvera will add to the team at the Municipal Corporation. But my general, the man from Western, he's doing a tremendous job down in Western. Some man call me, I don't know if I 3 councillor, them they call Preke, or it was the 3-member parliament candidate. But me want things I 3-member parliament candidate. But the 3 Preke is going to give them a whip, left, right, and center. Today the time is not long, and I'm just here to bring you greetings. I want to encourage that the vibes that we see out in Southeast a few weeks ago, the vibes that was in Western and now Central, I want us to gel together same way. Don't think that one little dance promoter can come be minister to deliver the things we want to have with it. I told the man, don't leave your work. Stay in your work and get your pension, because you won't be getting any pension in our politics. All of you know, I was a policeman. And I didn't just, somebody want to follow me, you know. But I heard of people say I bossy councillor. But we bossy with substance. I never just jump from police force or leave my work to come to politics. I made sure that I secured my future and make sure that the thing is set. I say to you, that I respect the police officers. And the police that was there with us today, Comrade Leader, they did a remarkable job. How you give the police a round, you know. And what I want to say to the police, them, all the promotions that is going on, all of you get promotion and not deserve it. It is just like they're coming and giving out plyboard and giving out gift vouchers for shop. You not deserve it. Take it. But you must know where your vote is going to be counted. It is going to be going squarely beside the head. I want to say to you, do the canvas. Don't think that the crowd today we have already won the election. Take it that you are encouraged and you are going to go out there and put in the work. Do the canvassing. Do the house-to-house walk. Help Newell, help Chris Brown to canvass the people and encourage them to vote for the People's National Party. Don't run with the Labourite them who see the good thing in a PNP and want to join. Encourage them, welcome them. Let us all work for a better Jamaica. The JLP said them choose Jamaica. It took them 9 years in the government to choose Jamaica. We have already chosen Jamaica from Norman Washington Manley days. And the legacy of choosing Jamaica will continue under the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mark Golden. I say to you, help us to build back St. Mary to pride. Help us to build back the township of Anata Bay, Port Maria, Highgate, Gale, and Orcobessa. Help us that when your relatives come back to Jamaica, they will feel proud because the councillors will be doing their work, the members of parliament will be doing their work, and after that, the opportunities will be there for everybody to benefit. I want to say to you, I am not at ease with what is happening. I know that the money is coming. I know that I am going to do everything in my power to make sure that the 3 seats in St. Mary is delivered by the People's National Party. I'm asking you to join with me. It is not time to gallivant. We will be celebrating the night after the election, after 5 o'clock. We will be celebrating in the town of Port Maria because all 3 constituencies will be joining there. From Bosco Bell Division, Western St. Mary, and from the St. Mary Municipal Corporation, I bring great greetings. The word is love. One love, one heart, one destiny.
Love and thanks come with your worship, the mayor. First citizen of the town of Port Maria. Ladies and gentlemen, Comrade Zal, Nick, Selector, hold on there. Comrades, I want you to listen carefully. St. Mary produced some fantastic people. One of them, you know, call him Professor, but you call him Senator long time. You call him a son of the soil. You call him a champion for persons with disabilities. You call him